All right, bro. This one's been a long time coming. We're filming landscape today. Hope you guys missed it because it's back. But yeah, welcome back to another drink review, guys. This has been sitting in my car since, it's probably been like a month now, to be honest. But hopefully it's not expired. Best if used January 28th, 2028. Okay, so we got 2 years, so we're fine. Okay, today we're reviewing the R.W. Knudsen family Organic Concord Grape Juice. Look at this, bro. I saw this the other day. I say the other day as if it wasn't a month ago that I bought this, and it's been sitting in my car waiting to do a drink review. I don't think you have to refrigerate this or anything. It's just sealed grape juice, and there's no preservatives or anything in here. 100% Concord grape juice, not from concentrate. This is 100% juice. It's not watered down. It's a 100% juice. So if I took grapes and just smashed them, that is what this would be. So not to say this is healthy or healthier than other grape juices. It has far more sugar. In fact, this has 4 servings in it, and each serving has 34 grams of sugar, which means 30 times 4 is 120. 4 times 4 is 16. I really hope I'm not stupid. 136 grams of sugar. So with 136 grams of sugar, I don't know what you would use this for. It's clearly not a drink like you can just casually drink, because I can only drink like this much, and that's 34 grams of sugar. Also, shout out to the Mean Bean. I know I shouted this out in the last video. Irish cream, my #1 drink of all time. I'm admitting it. Okay, I'm coming out. That sounded weird. Don't clip me on that. I'm coming out saying it. Mean Bean is my #1 drink of all time. At least right now. #1 drink of all time. Mean Bean Java Monster. Copped one today. I mean, I get one like at least one a week. Also copped some Chex Mix this morning. That was probably so loud. That's gonna be our palate cleanser for this grape juice. Smells fantastic. Like those brown things. I remember me and my siblings used to always fight for those because they were the best things. Man, that Chex Mix, this is pretty good. Not gonna lie. I don't know why I chose to eat this right before doing a video. Now it's gonna be like stuck in my teeth and hard to speak. But just for a quick rating, I'm gonna give this a 7.2 out of 10. Pretty good snack. But without further ado, let's crack into this Knudsen grape juice. I don't know how you're supposed to pronounce that. Maybe it's Knudsen? Is the K silent? Is the N silent? I mean, if it's like the word know, like you know something, the K would be silent, which means their name is Knudsen. I'm just going to keep calling it Knudsen because that's what it looks like. Yeah, let's pop this open. It's more difficult than I was expecting, bro. I'm using the shirt method here. Shirt method was to no avail. Bro, I cannot get this open. Hold on. Hoodie method. Hoodie method ain't working. We need something with like grip on it. The problem is if I open it sideways, it's going to pour everywhere. And with this much force, it's just going to get everywhere, bro. Oh my God, bro. All right, bro. I got some driving gloves in here that I forgot I even had in here. We'll see if these have any more extra grip. They look like they should. We'll see if this tactic works. Am I stupid? Is there some better way to do this? I feel like I need like a saw. I need like a katana to get this off, bro. All right, we're pulling out all the stops. I got both hands gloved up. We got the little cloth for like cleaning the windshield in here. If this doesn't work, bro, nothing is gonna work. This is not grippy at all. I'm gonna be completely honest here, bro. I'm assuming this rolling around in my car or sitting here for a month, it's somehow become extremely pressurized. That can be my only guess, because when a glass bottle gets like pressure in it, it becomes impossible to open. I don't know what it is about glass bottles, but when you screw a lid back on a glass bottle after you've already opened it, well, this hasn't already been opened, but it's become pressurized somehow. And this is probably like a bomb waiting to blow up. So I'm gonna need to go back home. Like, I'm sitting here in town after work, and I'm like, oh, let me do a little drink review. And this had to be, bro, this is impossible to open, bro. I'm going to have to go home and get a damn wrench. I'm going to have to get a dang vice grip on this thing, and get, I don't even know, bro, get a drill or something. I'm going to have to drill a hole in this, shotgun it out the top. Like, bro, dang, bro, I was trying to get the juice, but I couldn't get the squeeze. They probably hear me crashing out right now. They can definitely hear me, bro. I guess there's a first time for everything, and today we have failed at a drink review. We have somehow failed to complete a drink review. I didn't even think that was a possibility. But I can't even open it. Well, bro, I guess we're just not drinking it. I'll see you guys at home when I get a wrench or like some pliers or a vice grip or something, and I can get this open. Maybe I'll just use like a bat or something, or a machete. I have a machete in my room. Maybe I'll just take that to it, you know, slice off the top. I genuinely don't know what else to do. So I will see you guys when I get some more powerful equipment. All right, guys, we are back home. I figure what better place to pop this open than in my shower. What safer place? Outside. No, we're doing it in the shower. Every time I shower from now on, there will be shards of glass in my shower. Sounds like a good idea to me. Let's go ahead and do it, bro. I can't believe I've gone to these lengths for a drink review. This is for some grape juice, bro. I feel like when I hit it, the glass on the bottom might break. So worst case scenario, this shatters entirely and there's glass everywhere in my shower, and grape juice, and I'm covered in grape juice. Best case scenario, we get to drink some grape juice. So I got a nail here, got a trusty hammer. Let's see if my carpentry skills can do the work here. We're just gonna place it right on the drain. What could go wrong here, okay? Hold on. We did it. Hold on. That worked perfectly, bro. Listen, bro. I might never unscrew a cap again. That worked better than I could ever imagine. Not only did it not explode, I didn't even get one drop of grape juice out of the jar. Look, that was perfect, bro. All right, so I know this has turned into an entire journey of its own, and we're probably like 10 minutes into the video, but I'm gonna trust that my real viewers, y'all are here, bro. All right, so let's see how this tastes. We're not cracking it open this time, I guess, but cheers. I mean, it's good, but it's kind of a weird experience drinking from a like 2 millimeter sized hole. Why are you clipping me on this, bro? All right, so for the sake of the drinking experience, I'm gonna hit a few more holes with the nail, and hopefully this doesn't go terribly wrong. I mean, it's gone so well so far. I'm gonna just do the whole drink review in my shower, to be honest. Is this traditional? No. Is it better than traditional? Yes. Hold on, bro. We're working here. We're working away, bro. Oh yeah, bro. Look at that right there, bro. We got a nice little, we got a shower in here, bro. Got a nice little grape juice shower to drink out of. All right, let's see if this experience is any better. Way better, bro. I mean, I feel a little bit like I'm breastfeeding, to be honest. It's kind of weird to be like sucking it. Okay. I'm giving these clips away for free, bro. Honest judgment though. Knudsen Concord grape juice. It's great. It's super sweet, but not in a bad way. I've always been a grape juice lover. It's amazing, right? Grape juice, in my opinion, is the best juice. So, I mean, I haven't drank a lot of juice since I was like a little kid. So I'm not gonna rank this on like a juice scale, but we'll give it a drink overall rating, 0 to 10. Hit you with the 0 to 10 again. You never know what I'm gonna do. We're doing 0 to 10 this video. Yeah, so it's really sweet. And like I said, that's like 30 something grams of sugar right there that I just drank. Like 1 inch of this bottle. Extremely packed with sugar. You have to pace yourself. But it is good. Having this with like a nice snack, right? Like some cheese or some crackers and you like drinking some of this. You can't beat it, right? I mean, like I've never really understood people who drink alcohol all the time. Wine, I feel like does not taste that good, bro. But grape juice, like you just can't beat grape juice, okay? Like I would love to just have a nice glass of grape juice every once in a while with some olives, some nice cheese, maybe like a port wine cheese, some green olives, or those brown ones, Kalamata. Is that what those are? I don't know. I don't eat Kalamata. Who eats olives, bro? But yeah, compared to a normal like Great Value or Welch's grape juice, this tastes way better, and you can definitely tell. It straight up brings you into like an Italian vineyard. You feel like you're there, bro, in like Greece or something. And it's like vineyards and like flowers, and like just from one sip, bro, you can tell this comes off an actual grapevine. Like I appreciate that this tastes natural and real, You don't have all that sugar or weird other stuff in here. It's 100% juice, the way God intended, bro. It's kind of hard to rank because this is my means of tasting it through 7 holes on the lid. So I don't really have the best experience or view to be rating this, but I'm not gonna knock it down just because it was impossible to open. Overall, this tastes great, right? Grape juice, in my opinion, grape juice is the best juice. Concord grape juice. This is my favorite juice, right? Not that I drink juice all the time, but maybe I should start. I feel like because I had to work for it, it honestly tastes better. And also I'm just extremely dehydrated. Drink overall, this is the best grape juice I've ever had. And I've always loved grape juice. And so that's saying something. This is fantastic. This is immaculate, bruh. And it was worth all of the nailing and hammering away that I did. I mean, it took me like 2 seconds to open this, but well, not if we're including the whole start of the video. But I'm gonna do something crazy here, rating this 0 to 10. I'm giving Knudsen Concord grape juice 9.8 out of 10. 9.8. The only reason it's not a 10 is because that's reserved for Java Monster Mean Bean. But I couldn't imagine this any better. And that's because it's 100% juice. How could you imagine it better? It doesn't get better. It's 100% juice. So I can't imagine this tasting better. I wouldn't add anything or take anything away from it. It's just juice. So 9.8 out of 10. How do you beat it, right? Like, this is the way God intended it. Not preservatives. We ain't gotten maltodextrin and whatever, like carcinogens in my, bro. What am I drinking? Aspartame? Molecular homogenocide? Like, bro, I just made that word up. But you probably believed it was real. Because that's what these ingredients be sounding like, bro. But if you look at the ingredients here, organic Concord grape juice. That's it, bro. I just realized, what am I gonna do with this to save it till I drink the rest? I didn't consider that. Like, am I just gonna have to drink all of this? All 136 grams of sugar. 8 ounces is 1 serving. Provides 1 cup serving of fruit. Made with finest natural ingredients. No preservatives, no artificial flavors, no artificial sweeteners. Heck yeah, bro. See, I wasn't really prepared for this to be a whole ordeal trying to just open this drink. But yeah, overall it was worth it, right? We got a 9.8 out of 10 out of this. So I'm glad I didn't open it and it tasted terrible, because that would make me very disappointed that it took me all that time just to drink something that tastes like dookie. Yeah, this is really good. Honestly, I'll be getting this again. I can't really drink this while I'm at work. I mean, for one thing, if I have to hammer a hole on the top, I'm not gonna be able to do that at work. So much sugar, and it's 4 ounces a serving. Like, I can't drink this while I'm just hanging around, because like, this is my serving. That's like 2 servings almost. So my only question with Knudsen grape juice is like, when would you drink this? Like, when would you get it? I would say it's similar to wine. Like, you would have a small glass of this. You need it in moderation, because you're gonna have a crazy sugar crash if you don't. So yeah, just like have like a small glass of this with like some other food, I feel like would be the most ideal situation, that you're drinking Knudsen 100% grape juice. Although you could dilute this down with some water in those 4 servings, so that you get, like, you know, bigger portions of grape juice. I mean, that would probably just make it taste closer to other grape juice, but without all those preservatives, so you know what's in it, right? It's just grape juice and water. So like, you could probably just water this down realistically. It would still taste like grape juice, just not as sugary. I might do that, honestly, because I don't think I can keep it in this container. It's just gonna, like, I don't know, probably turn into wine, honestly. Maybe I'm gonna take a trip to WikiHow after this video is over. We're gonna make some shower wine. Can I go to jail for saying that? Is that illegal? I'm just gonna set this on my counter and we'll see what happens. You can't arrest me for that. But yeah, once again, 9.8 out of 10 for Knudsen Concord grape juice. As always, if you guys got any drink review requests, you know what to do. Drop them down in the comments. If you enjoyed, drop a like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Why pop champagne when you can pop some grape juice, bruh? Oh my dear, bruh.